What's going on, family? Wanted to shoot a quick video and talk to you guys about my new deal flow mastery course, talking all things marketing, finding off-market deals, strategies to work with on-market realtors that have listings to be able to get deals, and especially with the changes that you need to make with the current market and how things are trending. But really, I'm taking all of my marketing strategies that we use in my business today and putting them into a packaged course, whereas that you guys can get laser focused on getting more deals, because it's all about getting deals, making offers, and closing. Whereas you can build up your equity, build up your generational wealth that you're creating by doing these deals over and over and over again, refinancing, whether you're flipping them and buying long-term rentals. Whatever your strategy is, you need deal flow. And the closer you can get directly to the seller and not have to go through wholesalers or not have to go through realtors in all situations, then the more money that you're going to be able to keep in your pocket into your bottom line. And so that's what this deal course is all about, getting laser focused on putting in your own personal strategy for finding your deals. And that's what you're going to end up having at the end of this course. You're going to go through and you'll have your own personal deal strategy kit put together, whereas that now you can measure those key performance indicators, your KPIs. You understand what your marketing plan is. You understand where you should be focused in, and you know what actions you should be taking on a weekly basis and really on a daily basis in order to get that constant deal flow that you need and that you defined up front. So if you're looking for more deal flows, this is the place for you. Make sure you tap into the link below for my my deal flow mastery course. It's going to be $497, but well worth it. The value is well over $2,000 in value with everything that we're going over. I'm including my my mindset piece that I have for my coaching program. I'm including that in there too, because wherever you are, I think it is super critical that you understand and have the millionaire mindset. What is that? Millionaire mindset is the habits that you have, the positivity that you have, and then also just the way that you approach problems and the way that you approach life in order to be successful, whatever it is that you want to do. Here we're just talking about deals, but it's going to help you be successful in your relationships and everything that you want to be in life. This mindset piece and the strategy and the worksheets that I'm going to give to you all to go through, it's going to make you get laser focused on why you're doing real estate and the things that you need to do in order to be successful. So if you're looking for this, you're looking to kind of have that holistic approach to finding deals, then tap into the course. The links below. It's $497. You will be more than blessed, and then we'd love to get a video testimonial as you go through it, and just get those takeaways from you, just to share with other people that may be looking at like you, that want to get more deal flow so they can continue to build generational wealth, because that's what it's all about at the end. So make sure you drop the comments if you got any questions about it. Love to shoot more content or answer the questions right there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're doing a lot of things the second half of this year to help people level up and build more generational wealth. Be on the lookout for our academy coming out that's looking to get people that's ready to go into real estate that need that accountability. They're looking to have a community around them that we're gonna provide that, and it's gonna be a holistic. It's not just gonna be centered on one avenue. This community is gonna be focused on building wealth on many different levels, all surrounded around real estate. And but we take it from a holistic approach. And so if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for that. That'll be coming out here the next probably next 30 to 45 days. But as always, share in the comment section. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you got any questions about the real estate mastery course, and then we'll have the link below so you can go ahead and get ready to tap in, and we'll go from there. And there's going to be some other events and stuff that come up with it. We're going to have some Zoom events that'll be part of it as well, where you can jump in, pick my brain, and then and just kind of get laser focused on all things marketing. So if you're interested in it, tap in. If not, then I'll see you guys on the next video.